Oh, hello there. So today I will be teaching you how to light a Christmas tree. You see, it's not that difficult to light a Christmas tree, but for some people, it's really difficult. I mean, this one person, he even died while lighting a Christmas tree. Electrocuted. Anyways, to light a Christmas tree, you need to be filled with Christmas spirit. Like, Christmas spirit, man. So much. And there are 3 requirements to light a Christmas tree. Like, these requirements are really, really required. That's why they're called requirements. English, bro. Anyways, step number 1, you need to be awesome. And step number 2 is you need to be careful and awesome because, to light a Christmas tree, you need to be careful not to electrocute yourself, okay? And third, you need to be really, really, really awesome. So yeah, and because I'm so full of awesomeness, that's how I'm gonna light the Christmas tree. So, I will count to 3, and then I will snap my fingers like this, and then the Christmas tree will light up. This will be the magic of Christmas. This will be like a Christmas miracle, man. Christmas miracle. So just wait, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Did you see that?